other people who do videoing are nowhere near as good as Rachel's. Oh, it's recording, sorry. Right. Question 4. Find the integral of 5x cubed minus 6x plus 1. So this, loads of people do this really nicely. Well done. We get, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, 5x to the 4 over 4, minus 6x squared over 2, plus 1x plus c. There you go, 5 over 4x to the 4, minus 3x squared plus x plus c. We'll take those 3 marks. So right, isn't it? Of course you lose 1 for not putting plus c. Part B. Find the integral of 24x to the minus 3. I think they were quite kind here, because I might have been inclined to write this as 24 over x cubed, and make you turn it into 24x to the minus 3. But they were gentle and wrote it like that. So we add 1 to the power. Remember, minus 3 plus 1 gives us minus 2. Divide by the new power and put plus c. 24 divided by minus 2 gives us minus 12. So that's the answer that we're looking for, minus 12x to minus 2 plus c. Great, we've picked up 5 marks from it so far. Now, given that the improper integral, the integral from 0 to infinity of 24x to the minus 3 dx equals 3, find the value, sorry, it's not from 0, is it? Find the value of a, the lower limit. Right. I'm going to find myself writing something that I don't really like writing in this, but I'll do it. Okay. We know that this integrates to minus 12x to minus 2. Now we need to put the limits in. And actually remember what this is. This is minus 12 over x squared, isn't it? Between a and infinity. Right. Now, if you sub infinity into minus 12 over x squared, well, you can't do that, you can't handle infinity, but let's instead think of a massively big number. If you square a massively big number, what happens to it? It gets bigger. If you divide 12 by a number that's so big that you can't even really imagine it, and then you square it, that's 12 divided by something incredibly large. That is so close to 0 as to make no difference, isn't it? They were divided by something so enormous that the fact that we're dividing 12 by it makes no difference. It's 0 in effect. So the upper limit gives us 0. We're taking away what we get if we sub in a. So this is 0 minus 12 over a squared. In other words, it's 12 over a squared. But the question's told us that is equal to 3. So 12 over a squared equals 3. If we do a quick bit of rearranging, multiply by the a squared, divide by the 3, we get a squared must be equal to 4. So a is plus or minus 2. But hang on, the question said, find the value of the positive constant a. So a can't be minus 2. A is positive, so a must be plus 2. We can ignore the minus 2 possibilities. Okay? Now, the key to this question was how you dealt with infinity in this bit, or whether you recognise that dividing by something approaching infinity squared gives us 0, and that once you've got that, the rest of it is fairly straightforward. Good work.